Listen, running your creative business shouldn't always be a hobby. Learn to get more profits, price your services, and diversify your revenue. Hey, this is Tarsha, and I'm your host for your Creative Pursuit School journey. I'm a fellow side hustler working to take my creative passion to the next level, but I've hit some hiccups in the road. And I talked with some of you and found out, hey, as creatives, we're struggling with some of the same things. So I reached out to my creative friends and asked them to lay it on me. What's your number one problem in your creative business? And from that grew Creative Pursuit School. So for this lesson, I brought together several leading experts sharing their proven strategies and formulas to get your pricing in order, provide high value services, and make recurring revenue even during the slow times. At the end of this course, you'll be able to price your services to make more money and get how to monetize your passion for recurring revenue. Here's what we're going to cover and why you need to take this course. First, find out how to charge what you're worth. Understand and master the key strategies leading to a profitable design business. Create your custom step-by-step action plan to help you achieve your ultimate business goals. Learn the biggest challenge to making a profit. You're running a business, not a hobby, so guess what? That means it has to be profitable. If you're not constantly making more and more money, then you may be confused on how to price your services and what systems you need to put in place to become profitable. Maybe you're struggling with documenting your entire work process from A to Z, or how to value price your services, or how to monetize your expertise through courses and other digital products. Well, it's time to take action. Take the How to Make Six Figures a Year with Your Creative Business course right now. Put an end to the confusion so you can gain insight into your underlying business principles and assess your financial risk. Repackage your services to keep a constant client flow. Convert clients who are on the fence to finally get into the point of hiring you, and provide high-value digital products to diversify your income streams.